So we've just arrived at where we're staying in Hoi An. It's called M's House Homestay. A lot of the places to stay around here are homestays rather than like big luxury hotels because it is a lot smaller. We really like this room though. It has 2 massive windows with a really beautiful like green view, and we can actually see down to the pool downstairs. We have a ginormous bed, king size bed, open wardrobe, really large bathroom with a walk-in shower with all this black marble and just really nice furniture. This location is also really good because it's really close to the first district or city centre in a city, so we're probably going to be able to walk everywhere, and if not, we've seen that you can rent bikes downstairs for free and just cycle wherever you need to go. So we're really happy with this place as well, and the staff seem really nice. However, we're very hungry, haven't actually eaten anything today beyond the coffee that we had this morning, and obviously we've sweated buckets out at the Marble Mountains. If you watched our previous vlog, we were in Da Nang. We haven't yet had a Bahn Mi, and it's probably the second most popular food in Vietnam, so this is just not good. So we're gonna head out and find a Bahn Mi place. Let's go. So we're just walking around and wow, very, very scenic. There are these like beautiful trees on all the sidewalks with like flowers. It's just very well kept and quaint.
By the way, it's super hot this time of the year. We've seen that tomorrow it's gonna be 37 degrees, so it's quite boiling.
We'll probably need to stay inside during this time. It's only just because we've arrived that we're out, but should probably stay inside between like 12 and 3. We already found a restaurant that we really enjoyed in Da Nang called the Chickpea Eatery. It is a vegan place, but it's just really delicate, well-made food, and obviously there is a lot of vegetables in Vietnamese cuisine, so we'll probably try there.
How many styles I can choose? So apparently Hoi An is really known for many different tailor shops, so you can basically come here, order your dress or your suit, and they'll get it done within 24 hours, and then yeah, you can just collect it. We just passed by a store that was also making made-to-measure shoes. I probably might get a pair of sandals, so they have really nice design and nice and modern, so it's really good stuff.
Okay, so we came to this Bahn Mi Queen place. Very busy though, like there's a lot of people that came in at the same time, so it must be very good.
This is number 6. Thank you. Everybody recommended this place. This is the best place, yeah? The bread is so crunchy.
A little bit spicy, so nice and like crunchy. With all the salad inside it as well. I went for like the barbecue pork one because we saw the pork outside. It looks so nice. But I'm loving this. We've come towards the main area where they have the bridge and the boats.
Pedestrian street.
Yeah, boats and the lanterns, but it's chock-a-block.
Yeah, considering we are in low season, it's packed, honestly.
We weren't expecting it to be this busy.
Should we drink some wine? No, we're gonna drink some coconut. Today we came to a special place which has been recommended by our hotel. It's called Morning Glory, and besides being our favorite vegetable in Southeast Asia, it's one of the nicest places to eat. It's located very close to the river where you have all the lantern show, and we've been quite surprised because inside is beautiful. It has also outside seating, and we've been given one of the best tables probably, which is on this balcony in this French style building. Yeah, so we're gonna probably order some nice local food.
Good morning. So we're on our way in a taxi for our first activity of the day, and this is a very famous cooking and food tour that we've signed up for. We're heading towards the market first to pick out the fresh ingredients, and then we're going to spend the day making and learning about Vietnamese food. So we're really excited, and let's go.
You know this one, baby spicy mustard, and in Vietnam we use this here. We make wasabi, so normally I will say wasabi leaf, yeah, wasabi or spicy mustard. Yes, they look like a.
We know those. This is really good. Like I love it.
Okay, and you know the name?
No.
Thai basil for your pho, coriander family cilantro, and this one is CU cilantro. Very different. And we have two kinds. The first one is very long like this, and other one is smaller. Or you have a mess about rambutan and lychee, right? But for the lychee.
So we finished up at the market. It was very busy, very hot. We've bought our fresh ingredient, and now we are at Coconut Village, and I think we're going to start cooking. Like, there's a lot of tables and stuff around. Just came through a very nice dragon bridge. Sorry, just like this is Coconut Village working. Hello.
Probably with me it's gonna sink. That's the coconut grow there. No.
Apparently.
Okay, so we finished shopping at the market, and then we came to the Coconut Village where the restaurant is. So we're gonna be cooking Vietnamese food, and now we're just going around the canals on this typical bamboo boats, which apparently also spin a lot. So we asked them not to spin them too much because we're probably gonna feel sick. But it's really nice here. Such a nice village with just these bamboo boats everywhere and a nice canal around with bridges and stuff. So yeah, let's do it. Super nice. We have palms everywhere, literally growing in the water. just to assist to this show of them spinning around the boat. And actually our driver, can you call it driver, tried to spin around a little bit before, but then of course Maya got scared and told him to stop right away. I was enjoying it actually.
Rap.
Oh, you look so pretty. Your glasses match the umbrella.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's cook it.
We're taking him with us, I think.
Piece of beef attached to it. Apparently crabs love it, so now we have a crab on board and it's coming with us. We probably might even cook it. I don't know.
It's too small, there's no meat.
You've seen all those videos when you try to kiss a crab and
Now it's time for cooking.
And you will roll your rice paper with the top water, chili, a little bit spicy for you, the big one, a little bit spicy, chili,
Yeah.
garlic, sugar, this one is sugar and lime. You mix everything and you make dipping sauce. And you use your rice paper, this one. You roll your rice pancake with cucumber to burn, and so I just keep outside. And then we bring tapioca from Kosovo. This. Move in the bottom. Rice dash. This is half of it. Okay, and half water. You perfect or not?
Can't figure it all in.
and what's the
Okay.
white stuff?
This one?
Yeah, the white one.
Radish.
Ah, radish.
Yes, sour. Yeah. Now here, onion, ginger, cinnamon, and anise. And keep cooking. You see, it's no more water. And you more water, more seasoning again. You cook with a second turn. Keep stirring. Always keep stirring. With some. Half a whole here, no? You're right, it's very soft now. First with me. Yeah, you can see. You can turn the other way. And turn everything else.
So we just finished the steamed rice rolls. They were super nice. And now we are making Bahn Mi, which is the Vietnamese pancakes with some pork and prawns.
less prickly and more colorful, right? Single pudding.
So that was a very nice experience. In total we made like 1, 2, 3 dishes, and then we had just the tapioca, mung bean, like a coconut cream. But yeah, I would 100% recommend. It was only like $25 each worked out, so it was 700,000 dong, and I actually feel like I learned quite a lot. We'll definitely get the recipes and then try and replicate them back at home.
Okay, so this is day 3 in Hoi An. We came to Chickpea, so the same place we went to in Da Nang. We really wanted some vegan food again. And today it's the hottest day since we've been in Vietnam. It's 37 degrees and it feels like 44. So we took a break from filming yesterday. We just had a burger in a very nice place. So we just ordered some vegan rice and a noodles dish and some cold smoothies because we're sweating so much.
And what we like about this place is that the display of how they do all the dishes is so beautiful and so like thoughtful. Too beautiful to eat.
That's chicken.
So we're out for our last evening in Hoi An. We're going out for dinner now, and just everywhere you walk there is just the most beautiful lanterns. All the trees are really well lit up, and this place does really come alive at night. The lights come on, the beautiful lanterns, and obviously it's so hot in the day that in the evening everyone just comes alive really. Also, it's Danning's birthday today, so we just wanted to do what we wanted to do, and obviously now we're heading out for dinner to have a nice meal. So we've gone for quite a lot of stuff on the menu tonight. We've gone for a giant red snapper fish that's been like grilled, fried. It looks very crispy, and then it has tons of like green mango over it and a chili sauce. We also went for a grilled aubergine with pork mince and then just a small amount of spring onion dressing on top. It also came with a rice dish, and then finally we went for some really saucy duck with what looks like orange. So wish us luck. It's a lot of food.
Okay, so we came to a bar which looks like a Chinese temple. It's so nice. So we're about to board this tiny boats that go around the canal where you can release in the water the lanterns. It's one of the most iconic experiences that you can do in Hoi An, since this is the city of lanterns, so we're just about to go there.
We're on the boat now. It's actually more wobbly than I thought it would be.
Yeah, so basically we are in the middle of the canal now, and soon we're gonna be releasing these lanterns in the water. I think it's meant to bring you good luck, so you need to wish something when you do it. I'm actually making this up, I'm not sure.